Of all the days in all the year that I'm familiar with, there's only one that's really fun.
December the 25th.
Correct! Ask anyone called Robinson or Brown or Jones or Smith their favorite day and they will say
December the 25th.
correct! December the 25th, my dears, December the 25th, the dearest day in all the year. December the 25th, correct! At times we're glad to see the back of all our kin and kith, but there's a date we celebrate.
December the 25th.
Correct. At times our friends may seem to be devoid of wit and pith, but all of us are humorous.
December the 25th.
Correct. December the 25th, my dears, December the 25th, the dearest day in all the year.
December the 25th.
Correct. If there's a day in history that's more than any myth, beyond a doubt when day stands out.
December the 25th.
Correct. I don't hear any arguments, so may I say forthwith, I wish that every day could be December the 25th. December the 25th, my dears, December the 25th, the dearest day in all the year. December the 25th, my dears, December the 25th, my dears, December the 25th.